Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to deploy a WordPress website on a local server. So I want to show you another server you can use to do that easily. So right now let's try to do that right away. So I'm going to look for the local WP. So it's called local WP. So that's what I'm going to look for right now. So let's look for this and let's try to deploy a WordPress website on this localwp.com. So I'm going to come right here to localwp.com and I'm going to try to download the software, which is local WP. We use XAMPP and we saw how XAMPP works. So right now I want to use local WP and let's see how this would pan out for us. So I'm going to come to the local WP website. So here is the local WP. So all we have to do is to download it for free. So we're going to download for free and all we have to do is to choose the platform we want to download on. This time around I want to download on Windows. So you can use it on any platform, as you could see. You can use it on Mac, you can use it on Mac Apple Silicon, Mac Intel, Windows, Linux and all that. But right now my system is Windows and what we have to do now is to click on get it now. So we want to get this software right away and we're going to see how we're going to set it up. So it's being downloaded. Your download should start automatically if it doesn't. Click here. So this has started automatically and it's about 700 and something megabytes. So let's wait for that to get installed. So after I've downloaded this, I'll try installing it. So this is right here. So I'm going to click on the software that I just downloaded. I'm going to click on it right here. So you could use this and say only for me build actions and you will install this into your local folder. So I'm going to have this installed, which is the local setup. So you could do all these. You could actually use it to create a demo project and get installed as well. So now we've successfully set up this. So local has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setup. So I'm going to finish and it's going to run the local WP for us. So as you can see, we have the local WP software here. So this is the local WP. We have updated local terms and services. So you could go through it if you have to, but I will check that. I would have to agree to the terms and condition. And here I have local WP. So what you want to do now is to create a free account. So I'm going to create a free account right here and I'm going to continue with Google. Here's the account I just created. Welcome to your local account. So here we have all this. You have your setup and everything. You can even connect this to GitHub. So this is a more advanced local setup. So let's open local right now. Let's open local WP so we can have to use this. So I'm going to open local right now, turn on error reporting. So we're going to turn that on. As you can see, this is the local WP setup. Okay, so we have all these right now, your blueprints, and we have libraries where you could install stuff. So we have all these different libraries. So we can all go back to the local setup. All we have to do is to say we want to create a new website and having to create a new website. So you spin up a new WordPress or headless WordPress site. You can use this or this, but we want to try to create a new website from scratch. So we're going to continue right here. What would be your website name? So you could name it whatever you want to name it. You could name it Talent Hub. So I could name it something like Talent Hub. Let's just see what we are having. So here we have this and we are going to continue this right away. So I'm going to click on continue to continue. So when it's custom, you're going to choose everything you need from your web server to your database. So you have a database, you have a web server, you have a PHP version. Preferred we have latest version of all these. So you see your web server. So I'm going to continue this right now and I'm going to have a WordPress username, WordPress password. I'll give this a name. So let's give it a name right now. So let me just give this a password. So I'm going to give it a password right now. Then I'm going to have my mail. So we've done the major setup. We have our username, we have our WordPress password, we have our WordPress email. You could check advanced option by selecting a language. Is this a WordPress multi-site? It's going to be no. And we have subdomains, we have subdirectory, but this is a no. These are all local setups. So now we're going to have all this. You want to allow public? Yes. So let's allow that. And we're going to have talents up created. So that way we get to host this website locally. So let's wait for WordPress site to be added and be downloaded on our local server. Okay, so here we have the local server right now. So our local server has been set up. All we have to do now is to run our WP admin. Then that way you have access to the WP admin dashboard, which is the WordPress dashboard. So we have the database too. You have your local host, you have your ports, you have everything, and you have your tools right here. So you have a live link right here that you could use to showcase what you've done. So all you have to do now is to go to WP admin, and here in WP admin you're going to log in your mail. Yes, the mail we created. Remember, we created a mail or username, so we're going to use that. So I created blood tech so we can have access to the dashboard where we can start creating whatever I want to create. And my password, so I'm going to input my password right now. So I'm going to have that, and I'm going to log in right away. So having to log in right now, we'll be able to access the dashboard of this particular website, which is the talent hub. It will be accessed locally. It's not a live website, so this is a local website, and we can start building whatever we want to build. So you can start your building up of projects from this, and you get to do whatever you want to do. So we have the talent hub. You could visit the website, but it's just locally, so you could visit it locally if you want to. As you could see, this is the website so far, so you could do more of this, and let's see how that goes for us. So we have all these right now, and this is the website. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.